In MongoDB, we have two methods, save and insert, almost doing the same, but there is a little difference in both of them. So that's what we are going to see here. When you are going to use save, it will do upsert, means if the document is not found, it's going to create a new document. If the document is pre-existing, it's going to update or replace the document. This is where insert differs. Insert, if it finds ID predefined there, it's going to throw error that this particular ID already exists, or else it is going to insert a new document. This is how save and insert works and differs. Let's see practically to understand their differences. I'm in Mongo Booster. I'll be using this product DB. Collection name is call_products for this save and insert demo. As you can see here, there are 4 documents in this collection. I'm going to start with insert first. I'm going to insert a pre-existing ID. vDocument db.callProducts.insert. This is the document. The value is already present here, so we must get a duplication error. As we expected, we got a duplicate key error. I'm going to do the same using save method. And one more small change I'm going to do is, instead of 999, I'm going to make it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On executing save with a duplicate key here, it will update the document successfully. Matched, modified. Let me find it again. In table view. So we got the document whose value is updated. This is the main difference between the insert and the save method. Insert doesn't allow duplicate keys, whereas save overwrites it. So it has overwritten this document. To make this insert successful, you know that either you can remove this ID field so that MongoDB will auto-generate, or you can give your own ID field. So in my case, I'm going to give my own. It's 88. And then executing this will make this successful. Inserted is 1. In table view, let me find it before that. So in table view, the insert is successful. Save does the same when you're going to take off the ID field or you're going to give a new ID field. In this case, I'm just taking off the ID field. And this value I'm going to change as 555. And on executing, save will also insert a new record. Table view. We got a new record like that of the insert. The only difference is whenever a duplicate key is found, insert stops executing, whereas save updates the document. That is the main difference. That's what we have discussed previously here.